Hey, this is Dan for Retro Restore Camping. I'm gonna show you a real quick video here. We're gonna do on changing the front shock. First off, I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you know already. A lot of the GMC guys do know. It's where to place the how to jack up the front. Actually, you want to put it right there in the middle of that, and do the whole front together. You don't want to jack up one side or the other, or you could bust out your $700 window or windshield actually in the front. And then get some jack stands. The lights get bad out here. It's getting dark, so what we did is we went to Tractor Supply, got a new grade 8 bolt and nut. The other one was kind of in bad condition, so I didn't want to use it. This sleeve down here had this on it, so what I had to do is I had to use a grinder. I had to grind it down, and then I had to use I used a screwdriver with the head on it, with the shaft in the top there, to pry it open and get it through, and then I twisted it off, and it came right off. So now the issue is we went around town today looking for a rethreading nut here, and we were unable to find one, so we're going to still look again tomorrow to try to find that. So as for now, I'm just going to put the old bolt on, and then we're going to lower everything down, and I'll get back at it tomorrow. But I don't want to lower it down without a shock in here. I don't want to damage anything. So, I guess to be continued. Alright. This is Dan from Retro Restore. We'll be back tomorrow.